Want to add music to your Instagram story? Let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Swipe right or tap on plus icon near your profile picture to create a new story. Record a video or choose any media to post from your gallery. Click on Done at the top right if prompted. Mute the original audio on video for better sound quality by tapping Mute icon. Look for the music icon at the top of the screen. Tap the music note icon to add tunes. Browse the selection of recommended songs or search for a specific track using the search bar. Click on the song to add it to your story, and tap on the arrow in the bottom right. Use the slider to select the exact part of the song you want to feature. Preview how the music will sound in your story. If you want lyrics to appear, make sure to select a song version with a music note and letters icon. Pick the lyric display style from the options right here that suits your story's aesthetics. Tap Done once you're satisfied with the music and lyrics. Adjust the lyrics to your desired place in your story. Click on your story at the bottom left corner to share. And that's it. Follow for more quick tips.